Hmm.
So this is the interaction. So this is where it is. So tomorrow there's going to be that jury interaction, and she said there are some two slots available, and she will confirm, one of the slots for me. I've not
Okay.
received that confirmation
So
yet.
this is an online interaction.
Online.
Okay.
This
Just
is
check if you have received because Rajesh already had a time 4:30. He has it tomorrow.
Acha, he did. He got the 4:30. Okay. Yeah, I'm yet to receive the timing. The time slot I'm yet to receive. I don't know, I mean, what time she's going to pick. She said one of the two slots is what she is going to pick for me.
Okay. Chalo.
Okay,
Okay.
wonderful.
Now, then there was one more email. I think I sent you that Hema ji and Geeta ji is to
You
start
sent to me as
reporting.
well?
नहीं नहीं मैंने आपको एक स्निपेट भेजा था ना आई
हाँ
थिंक
हाँ, स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके ओके.
स्क्रीनशॉट ओके एंड तो उसमें दैट
Can you
पोर्ट्रेट
show that again just once, if it is possible?
He can share his WhatsApp now.
नहीं नहीं, he shared to me on WhatsApp. I have to check there.
No, I'm saying even on laptop he can share his.
Yeah, so this is the communication. Can you see this?
No,
No.
you are still showing the page of jury wala.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me.
Mac में क्या होता है ना वो you have to reshare.
Oh, okay. Can you see it? Can you see this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is that which came on Friday. Okay, and
This you had shared, acha. Okay.
I shared this with you. I shared
Oh.
this with you.
So
And
photograph and all you have already shared, huh?
nahi karna hai. That is what I have to go now and then get those get these portraits with this specifications done. I have to go and get that done. I couldn't do it yesterday, so now I'll go and get those things done. So this is what it is. So right, so the jury interview after this email, she messaged me on WhatsApp saying that my jury interview will be on Monday in one of the two slots.
अच्छा, ओके.
But two slots कौन से हैं?
ठीक है, वो कई होंगे यार दिन भर में उनके पास. So she may have
अच्छा.
फोटो गाइड भी दिया हुआ है. So just have a look and you can do the photo.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that photo guide, etc. They've given some specifications on the size, the pixels, etc. सब कुछ. I mean, some horizontal shots, some vertical shots, etc. वो सब दिया है. So this
ठीक है,
I'll
तो
go
डू इट इन अ प्रोफेशनल कोट एंड ऑल
GK
ऑफ.
Vale. GK
ऐसे ही
Vale.
रखो
I'll go
प्रोफेशनल
to
शॉट.
GK Vale and then get it done. So yeah.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
Okay. So this is that. Now when I looked at their website, I was trying to find out who the jury is going to be.
ठीक है, juries are, I know who the juries are. So the
Huh.
juries are CIOs like Adani, Tata, and all. Na, they call from multiple organizations. So
Huh.
for your panel, maybe there are some other CIOs because like they are asking for your time, they are asking for time from other CIOs as well.
Okay. Huh. Huh. Okay. And yeah,
Yeah.
I was not able to find out the exact names. I mean, even the past juries वगैरह
ठीक
मुझे
है,
नहीं
छोड़
मिला.
दो नाम. डोंट गो बाय दैट.
नहीं मिला.
हाँ,
Okay.
उसको छोड़ दो, अभी
So
नाम में मत फंसना. We have to just be, now you can stop sharing. Now I will start sharing. Okay.
just one thing.
Okay.
So this was my submission. I took a
Yes, yes. Very good. That's what I wanted to
yes.
see.
Okay. So this was my submission. So I talked about enterprise AI and I talked about this project that I'm currently working on and what is the role of AI in this, right? So
Very good.
this was about leveraging AI to reduce the cycle time and bring in efficiency and velocity, right? And we are using it for, I think, जो मैंने interview में भी बोला था, I mean that mock interview,
Right.
we are trying to increase the efficiency by 70% and reduce the project times by 50%. And this involves all this database conversion, code conversion, etc. And this is where we are using Gen AI for that, right? And we've identified BIOS, business improvement opportunities, to offset the modernization costs and drive the return on investment. This is like a self-funding. Dr. Hema, if you recollect, that is what I was telling. This has to be a self-funding, wherein the gains from this automation should drive this whole modernization journey, right? So
So
this,
I think you have a very strong case, but then you have to use the right words and others to impress those people first. That's it. I
acha,
think your case is quite solid.
take it. Okay. And then I also talked about what are some of the technical challenges, etc. So I said non-availability of representative data, right? That's an important issue in this particular case. And how are we
So
going to?
how can you solve that?
So we are sort of, going to use anonymized data. So what we do is we get a slice of the data set from a representative environment and anonymize it, right? And use that to generate synthetic data as much as possible so that it represents the actual situation. So that's what we are doing. And so that is what, I mean, I've explained this. I mean, I remember, I mean, what I've told, and then I talked about how are we sort of, doing this modernization across compute and storage. And that is what we are trying to achieve. This is a real challenge. This is exactly the challenge that we are facing here. Okay. And they talked about what is the stack, what agentic AI stack are you using? I said GitHub Copilot, Claude, and we are using,
Wait, just hold on. This is very important question.
yeah, yeah, Crew.ai.
When you talk about a cutting edge agentic AI stack, so what is this?
So we are sort of, leveraging a combination of GitHub Copilot and Claude Code. It's not just one platform, but we are using multiple LLMs to ensure that the hallucinations, right, come
No,
down.
no, that is okay. I understand. That is LLM. What I understand, GitHub maybe you are hosting it. Okay.
No, GitHub Copilot also, it has got yeah, it's a platform, and in GitHub Copilot you have the ability to pick the corresponding LLM. It also gives you the choice.
Acha. Okay. Which LLM? But when you talk, is there any platform where you are building something, or it's only through LLMs you are doing it?
No, so it is our own platform. See, we
So
have built,
that you have to tell, which is not coming here.
okay. So it's our own agentic AI platform that we have built, and that,
So VA means your company is doing that.
yes,
So you have to then tell that very clear. Otherwise, it's coming out that some only through LLMs it is being worked. So as a layman, that's what I understood.
okay.
Just bring that out very clearly, because we have our own native platform, and
Yeah.
we are building whatever agents you are building on that.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so that agentic AI you have written, but agents and all, that's very important. Those words are also not here.
Right. I mean, so what we have done is we have built those agents, and there's something called as an agentic marketplace that we
Ah,
have built.
I
And
think this is your heart actually. This answer is your heart. So what I suggest, they will definitely going to ask about this. So this you have to position very strategically.
hmm,
So you have to say that, this encompasses. I may
hmm,
be wrong, but fill in those places. That
hmm,
this encompasses an automation platform, some LLMs, some XYZ, whatever are there. These comprises of 5 components. So
hmm,
this platform is our own native platform on which we are building the agents. The LLMs that we are using are GitHub, this, Copilot and all. Why we are using multiple? Because anybody would say ki one is enough. Why you want to go in for multiple? Because what we have done a research, we did an in-house research, and we found that this Copilot was helping us suppression of hallucination on this account, and this provided in an additional element on this account. So in totality, use of these two LLMs are able to take care of XYZ and bring about YZX.
exactly. Yeah. So,
Then you have to talk about, use the STAR framework over here. Okay. And then talk about, through this exercise, we developed XYZ agents. And
Hmm.
these agents are going to bring about a revolution in the industry and change the complete landscape of XYZ. So X agent is going to do this, Y agent is going to do this, Z agent is going to do this. And overall, in totality, they are going to bring about 70% efficiencies on account of productivity, XYZ efficiency on account of value, cost also. You have to bring in all the levers.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Understood. So I'll sort of work on this and
Because
then.
here they gave you only 100 words. But when they are speaking, then you have, but don't make it too long, people lose interest. Each answer should be 60 to 90 seconds.
Yeah. Okay.
And just every answer should be well structured. Bring a structure.
Hmm.
Use CAR framework, context, action, result, or use STAR framework.
Yeah. StarL. I'm comfortable with StarL. So
Yeah.
we'll use the StarL. Okay. Yeah. That's it. So this is what I've submitted, and I'll stop sharing now. Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
Okay.
Chalo, good, good, good. Very good.
Okay.
So I'll just share my screen. I built a generic one because I wasn't quite sure where you are on the journey, but this is true for any kind of, framework. I thought that psychometric and all you still have to do.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
So they actually what they are looking at
Hmm.
this next 100 hours, they have a very specific mandate.
Hmm.
They are looking for senior technology managers
Hmm.
who have the grit, the strategic acumen, and leadership presence. They are looking at future CIOs. And when they build up this list, then you get, I would say, when people are hiring CIOs, they look onto this list as well. So this gives you a very strategic advantage. The jury consists entirely of elite sitting CIOs and technology leaders from India's top conglomerates like Adani, Tata, Reliance. And they are not looking at for some standard technical summaries या आपने क्या किया नहीं किया. No, वो just enter into this discussion with a mindset that you are the CEO, and drop that manager mindset को तो हटा ही देना है. I am the leader. So whenever you think that you are a leader, then you give your replies from a broader spectrum.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
More than that, because this year there is a lot of focus on AI, so I think you stand a wonderful chance, because they are evaluating, not only you talk about the technical, you can drop the technical jargon and speak the language of business value. So because what happened, IT professional, they will just talk about IT. I told you, bring that commercial lever,
Hmm.
bring that business lever, bring the productivity lever.
Hmm.
So if you are a CIO, then you talk about all the levers that you can add to. And commercial is very important. In the language of business value, especially in an era which is focused on AI readiness and enterprise scale. So bring these things, deliberately.
Hmm.
A structured high impact framework is effective for guiding your candidate through this interview. Okay.
StarL. Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
So as I told you, shift the mindset from the manager to the future CIO. It's very, very important.
Hmm.
This we have already seen. Jury of current CIOs. See, उनका सिंपल है कि आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर तो नहीं हो ना.
Hmm.
Are you a ready material for a CIO or not? Actually, they are testing that.
Hmm. 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 So
Given the core theme, अभी इस बार का core theme पे आप एक बार you also look at it कि क्या इनका core theme है. What are the things they are looking at? Just read their brochure. And whatever they are looking at, you have to use that word at least once. in any of your answers.
Hmm. Hmm.
And AI framework, they will AI. Everyone is looking at AI at the moment. So we implemented chatbot. These are just example. So explaining how restructuring enterprise data layers using tools like you told GitHub. So GitHub similarly Supabase is also there. Or you should talk about what is the cloud architecture you are using.
Hmm.
So just bring about all the elements. एक
Hmm.
सेंटर में अपना प्रोजेक्ट को रख लीजिए एंड हब एंड स्पॉक मॉडल. What is the cloud, what are the LLMs, what is the platform, what is X, what is Y, what is Z, that you know. So that you have to specify very clearly. Don't say Angrezi, just say there are 5 key components to my project. Number 1, number 2, go one by one to all. And what you can do, because this is going to be online, just keep some post-its अपने पास में रख लो, because so that you don't, important keywords you should not forget, and don't get bogged down and don't look at those, but those will kind of give you a comfort that मैंने कुछ मिस तो नहीं किया, just इधर उधर आंख करी, but don't read it, please. ठीक है ना? Because people quickly figure out if something is being read. So don't read anything. Just, या एक काम कर सकते हो, पोस्ट इट नहीं भी लगाना, अपने while you are sitting, एक पूरा चार्ट पेपर अपने वॉल पे पेस्ट कर लो, just opposite wall,
Correct.
so that बड़ा बड़ा मोटा मोटा sketch pen, that these are the words you don't have to miss, because this is important.
Yeah.
And we are building knowledge. This is just an example. And you have to show that AI is an architectural transformation, not a standalone tool. That has to be, kept in mind. So structure your case study, which we already told star V for V kar lo ya value added, because here learning se koi meaning nahi hai. This is not an interview. So make it star V.
Star V, okay.
Because what is the value you are adding? As you are saying, efficiency. Overall business strategy, how is it impacting? How it is going to, can you link it to P&L? Can you link it to operating margins? Can you link it to EBITDA? Please bring those values.
EBITDA, I don't know.
Leave it. See, I'm just giving the names. Any financial lever you can link it to.
Yes. P&L, margins, okay, so that I can talk about it.
बस ठीक है. Margin impact हो गया. EBITDA talks about operational efficiency. We covered EBITDA in large detail. So is it operating on your operation cost कम हो रही है, कहीं operating efficiency बढ़ रही है? So you can say it will impact EBITDA. But then if they can also ask you, what is the EBITDA numbers do you think it's going to impact? Then if you don't know the numbers, see, at the moment we have not worked out the numbers. But yes, that is in our program, our agenda, that once we are able to do this, we will be measuring this. And what are the parameters you are going to measure it? Just say we not only EBITDA, we are going to monitor these 5 parameters. And through this, we will try to find out what are the efficiencies that are going to be improved. We will take a pre-scenario and a post-scenario. And post that, we will come to know how the efficiencies are going to be managed. Acha, haan. So the jury will deliberately test the candidate's executive presence. Okay? And ability to handle boardroom dynamics. See, those we are every day doing in our classes. But then they can ask you, if the board asks you to cut down your IT budget by 20% next quarter because of a dip in the company's EBITDA, how do you handle that conversation? Are you focused only on tech, or are you aware about the company levers? So then you have to talk about, whenever there is any such question, always think about, so whatever has been done, we will try to audit existing system redundancies. We will shift from high upfront capital expenditure to leaner operational expenditure. And whatever has been done, we will try to evaluate where are we with respect to where we want it to be. And with the current progress, can we put live some of the operations? Every project is a phased project. So can we do the phase 1 live with the current developments, whatever has been done, and achieve the efficiencies? So bring out those perspectives. And never get, bogged down if you're not able to answer something. Yeah, that's an interesting thing. I would like to go. Don't ask them what should be, because interview is a different thing. This jury evaluation is separate thing. You don't ask them, if you are not able to answer. Here, you have to maintain your calm. And that's an interesting question. I would like to deep dive later on this. At the moment, how I can relate to is, normally there would be no question which you are not able to answer. Just take a
Remember, yeah, you taught us about that framework, right? So where if you are under pressure to cut down your costs, it's not cutting down on the people, but you look at, let's say, other guzzlers, right? And then it could probably be some processes that are not efficient. You look at them, it could be infrastructure processes, and then only come to the people or the technology part of it, right? Yeah.
Right. How can we improve the efficiency?
Hmm.
Can we put people into some other areas where the business is growing? Are there other areas where we can put these people? But if nothing works out, then we are ready to, scale down the people as well. Because IT industry, this is a very common thing. We cannot say that, no, we will not. We have to. करना पड़ेगा तो करेंगे. We are here. If I am the head, then whatever decision it takes to, keep the organization alive, be it cutting down people, process, technology, whatever it is, we will do that. But firstly, we have to exhaust all options. We have to see how we can increase our market share, how we can improve our, sales, how we can do with this. Agar nahi ho raha, then definitely we have to chalk out a complete plan. How do you handle a traditional legacy business unit head who is actively resisting your new automation or digital transformation roadmap?
Yeah.
So then what you have to do? You have to, firstly sit with them, do a road show, explain to them the merits, what can be done. Secondly, what you would do? You would try to understand what their fears are. Try to eliminate their fears. Third is, with them, work out a phased approach. That we implement phase 1, we look at the benefits, we roll out phase 2. Then those people become comfortable. Yeah. So here means you have to, it's a kind of I would say, it's an executive pitch. It's not a very long interview, maybe 10 minutes. They know how to quickly, skim people. 10 minutes. How much time did she ask for?
She did not tell me the time. I think Rajesh, she said, Rajesh, you have your thing scheduled,
Yeah,
right?
just join. Hey,
Acha.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
how much
for
time is
me,
that?
they have not mentioned the time, but yeah, I think it's half an hour maybe.
Okay. Good. So just firstly, they will ask you to, tell about yourself. So that pitch should be perfectly ready and talk about yourself. You tell about your, briefly in one line about your education. Then you talk about your career and you work at the intersection of these 2-3 areas. I'm a technology leader who works at the intersection of technology, automation, and finance. or commercial. Then you talk about what all you have done, that these many years I have been this company. Don't make it too long, 2 minutes out. And then if they have certain questions, they can always ask. Sorry. And then we talked about, that automation, or what is, transformation roadmap or automation. How do you see the future of automation? How do you see the future of transformation? How transformation, have some ready examples, how transformation has helped you earlier. Which transformation exercise you did and that really brought in values and was appreciated by your clients and all. Handling tough scenarios, 1 or 2 tough scenarios they can ask you. Just once it comes to you, immediately take that 2-3 seconds pause, and then you respond. And use the framework. Maintain your calm. That's important. Always remember to bring the commercial aspect, the transformation aspect, people aspect, process aspect. People, process, technology, and then the commercial. If you bring in all these 3, you are done. And remember that the manager always focus on system, timelines, SLAs, technical execution, and the future CIO brings a focus on strategy, risk management, cross-functional alignment, and corporate value creation. This I have just taken a few examples from the internet, and I have just, how you change your language. Though I have explained, since we started, I have given this emphasis. I implemented ki jagah a cloud migration project. You say I optimized infrastructure architecture to reduce operational expenditure by 15%, freeing up capital for growth. Bring commercial aspect everywhere. I managed a team of 10 engineers. So I governed a cross-functional engineering unit, automating workflows to eliminate systemic bottlenecks. So the way you speak, shows your vocabulary shows whether you are a manager or a leader. So this is just, I have brought in that how a manager would respond and how a future CIO would respond. On the process of technology, manager will say, he will focus on standalone tools, minor automations, basic features, and a CIO would focus on AI readiness, build clean enterprise data layers, and automated governance. Talk about governance. It's very important. Financial literacy also, it shows, are you ready to be a CIO or not? Manager would focus on budgets, software licensing fees, basic timelines. The CIO would focus on NPV, IRR, EBITDA, capital efficiency, OPEX optimization. I hope now you are conversant with all the terms. If you have any doubt, we can talk about it. Executive.
NPV I recollect. IRR is what I have to, that formula I have to.
Formula don't need to run, internal rate of return.
Yeah.
So what is the capital, what is the debt you are taking? Say if the debt you are taking is at 10%. So when a project is generating a return for you, what is the return the project is generating? If you are taking the loan at 12% and if you are able to generate 10%, is it viable for you? No. If you are generating more than 12%, then only it makes sense. So IRR is the internal rate of return, the return which a project generates. Okay. EBITDA, impact, OPEX optimization. When we talk about executive presence, the manager reports results upward and waits for instruction or strategic direction. So what does a CIO do? We will display cross-functional influence. That whenever you are forming a cross-functional team, you will have people from automation, IT, maybe a process team like, functional teams, a business user or a procurement or legal, whatever, for whosoever you are doing that function. he navigates friction. There will be a lot of conflicts. So a leader is always able to navigate friction and acts as a strategic business partner. So the 3-minute drill is for to prepare your own self. What is the macro scale of infrastructure you are talking, the budgets, the frameworks that currently govern. Then the flagship enterprise transformation or AI-driven automation you are spearheading, that is radically altering the business efficiencies. And your forward-looking thesis on how a modern CIO must drive corporate strategy rather than acting as a back office utility provider. That's it from my end. Now, any questions?
So, what should not be done in this jury interview?
See, be relaxed, be calm, be smiling. Bus, that's it. Don't remember what is not to be done. Just focus on what is to be done and you will be there. Now you know, I'll just post this PPT in the group and work on it. It will be done. Don't worry. You know what is to be done. Just, your, I would say, body language and be smiling, be natural, authentic.
Then the second question I had is, I know that the 3 people who they reached out to, they have given their feedback, but I don't know exactly what feedback they gave.
अच्छा ही दिया होगा तभी आप यहाँ हो. If they had not given a good feedback, then you won't be here. I'm telling you.
Okay, that is okay. But then क्या दिया है exactly?
छोड़ो. Forget it. They are now that stage is over. I am telling you, this is, a kind of a thing. One out, second out, third out. These are kind of elimination rounds. So they don't care about what is written in the previous. The CIOs may not have. They will only have this paper of yours, what you filled in.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's all. I think this is good. Thanks, Dr. Hema.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rajesh, any question from your end?
Thank you, ma'am.
Before
It
we
was
sign
helpful.
off.
Although I couldn't join completely.
कोई
So
बात नहीं.
can
What
I
you
get
do,
the
I suggest is just have a look at the recording. So we
Okay.
covered a lot. I think you missed it, but no worries. Have a look
Yeah.
at the recording and
Okay.
PPT any which ways I am sharing in the group. Still, both of you, if you have any question, please message it to me and
Okay.
I'll respond to that. If required in the evening, you feel that you need certain inputs, we can have a quick WhatsApp call. Don't worry.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay. All the very best and look forward to having a party, both
Thank
of you.
you. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thank you, Geetanjali ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Gitanjali.
Bye.
All the best, Kalyan.
Hi, Rajesh.